Ever wondered how offshore oil rigs, those massive structures standing tall in the middle of the ocean, function? These colossal creations are a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. Their complexity is as profound as the depths they delve into. They are the beating hearts of the oil industry, pumping the lifeblood of our modern world. Yet, how they work remains a mystery to many. That's about to change. In the next few minutes, you will unravel the fascinating processes that occur on these giant structures. Before we dive into the operational aspects, it's important to understand how an oil rig is born. It all starts with a detailed survey of the seabed, where experts use sophisticated technology to map the ocean floor and identify potential oil reserves. Next comes the drilling of a test well. Picture a team of engineers, their faces reflecting the glow of computer screens, their minds calculating and recalculating the best approach. It's a delicate dance of precision and risk, where the slightest miscalculation can have serious consequences. Once they've confirmed the presence of oil, the real work begins. The construction of the oil rig is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Massive structures rise from the ocean floor, built to withstand the harshest of elements while reaching deep into the Earth's crust to tap into the black gold beneath. Now that we know how an oil rig is established, let's understand how it starts its primary function: extracting oil. At the heart of an oil rig's operations is the process of oil extraction. It's a marvel of engineering that begins with the drilling of a well. Picture a gigantic drill bit tearing through layers of the Earth's crust, miles beneath the sea floor. This isn't your everyday DIY drill, no. This is a high-powered beast capable of making a hole several feet in diameter. Once the well is drilled, a drill pipe is inserted, a long tube that extends down into the depths of the well. This pipe serves as a conduit for the oil to travel up from the Earth's crust to the rig above. Now you might be wondering how we prevent an oil gusher, a sudden and uncontrolled release of oil. That's where the blowout preventer comes in. This is a safety device that can seal the well in case of a sudden increase in pressure. It's essentially a large valve that can be closed at a moment's notice, stopping the oil in its tracks and preventing a potential disaster. Once the well is secure, the process of oil extraction can begin. This involves the use of drilling mud, a special mixture of water, clay, and various chemicals. The drilling mud is pumped down the drill pipe, where it serves several crucial roles. It cools and lubricates the drill bit, it carries the cuttings from the drilling process back to the surface, and perhaps most importantly, it helps to maintain pressure in the well. This pressure is vital in preventing oil or gas from rushing up the well too quickly. The drilling mud is then separated from the oil and gas, which are brought to the surface and processed. It's an intricate process, one that requires expert knowledge and precise control. But the result is the extraction of one of the most valuable resources on the planet. The extracted oil then needs to be transported to the shore, which is another fascinating process. But we'll save that for the next chapter of our journey into the heart of an offshore oil rig. Transporting the extracted oil to the shore is not as simple as it sounds. It's a complex operation that involves meticulous planning and high safety standards. Let's delve into the two primary methods of oil transportation: pipeline and shipping. First up, pipelines. Picture this: an intricate network of pipes stretching for miles across the ocean floor, silently ferrying the black gold from the rig to the shore. The construction of these pipelines is a marvel of engineering, demanding precise calculations and robust materials to withstand the harsh marine environment. But it's not just about building them. Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent leaks, which could lead to environmental disasters. Now let's talk about shipping. Tankers, these colossal vessels, are often employed to transport oil over vast distances. They are equipped with double hulls for added safety, a lesson learned from past oil spills. Loading the oil onto these behemoths is a delicate dance of machinery and manpower, carefully choreographed to prevent accidents. Once loaded, their journey is monitored round the clock to ensure safe passage. But regardless of the method, safety is paramount. Every step, every process is scrutinized and regulated to minimize risks. Because while oil is a valuable resource, it's also a potent pollutant that can wreak havoc if mishandled. Once the oil reaches the shore, it's ready for refining, and then it powers our world. And that, my friends, is the fascinating journey of transporting the black gold from the depths of the ocean to our everyday lives. That was quite a journey, wasn't it? We voyage through the fascinating world of offshore oil rigs, from their birth to the heart of their operation, and finally to the transportation of the precious black gold. Let's take a moment to recap the highlights of this intricate process. We began by exploring the establishment of an oil rig. It's a mammoth task, involving more than just a colossal structure of steel and concrete. It's a feat of engineering brilliance, where every bolt, every pipe, every valve plays a critical role. The birth of an oil rig is a testament to the relentless human ingenuity that pushes boundaries to tap into the Earth's hidden treasures. Next, we delved into the heart of the operation, the drilling process. Here, state-of-the-art technology meets the raw power of nature. Hundreds of feet below the sea, we penetrate layers of rock, guided by precise scientific data and sophisticated machinery. It's a dance between man and machine, a delicate balance of forces, all to extract a commodity that powers our world. And then we embarked on the journey of transporting the black gold. This step is as crucial as the extraction itself. The oil is transported through a network of pipes, sometimes covering hundreds of miles, defying the challenges posed by the sea and weather. It's a logistical masterpiece, ensuring that every drop of oil reaches its destination safely and efficiently. Throughout this journey, we've seen the challenges and triumphs that come with offshore oil drilling. We've glimpsed the complex interplay of engineering, geology, and logistics that make it possible. We've understood the immense effort and precision demanded at every step, the rigorous standards of safety and environmental responsibility that must be met. So the next time you see an offshore oil rig, you'll know the incredible processes that are occurring beneath its surface. It's more than just a structure in the sea. It's a symbol of human determination and ingenuity, a testament to our capacity to harness the Earth's resources in the pursuit of progress. And that's how the offshore oil rigs work. These floating giants are a testament to human ingenuity, underpinning our energy needs. The complexity, the precision, truly impressive. Remember, every drop of oil that you use has had an incredible journey. Until next time, stay curious.